And we're back to learning Photoshop in here, day 244. Let me show you the Vibrance adjustment. We want to activate the histogram as well on the window. And then we find the Vibrance right here. For example, here we get it as an adjustment layer. So I think it's the best option to use it because that's non-destructive. In principle, this adjusts the colors and can make them pop. But we also have a saturation. By the way, if you can't see that, this icon needs to be active in the layers menu and then go to Window, Properties. Then you should definitely see these two adjustment options. Saturation. This is a, you could say, uniform boost, so it increases the intensity of all colors equally. You can also see that in the histogram a little bit. So if I go to the left, curves get a little bit flattened. If you go to the right, they get a little bit, what is it called, steeper. So these peaks get higher. And that's what the saturation does. And the difference with Vibrance is that the Vibrance is more like a smart booster, you could say. It also adjusts the saturation, but when you crank it up, it first and foremost intensifies the colors that are less saturated right now. So the ones that are already saturated, they will not be increased, they will not be popped that much. And this is why the Vibrance is usually the adjustment that you actually need. Saturation is nice to have, but if you crank it up too much or go down too low, it's going to give you extreme results. And the Vibrance is therefore the better choice. And one additional feature that Vibrance has, it actually protects skin color. So if we import a different image, we use the Vibrance and the saturation again. See here with a saturation, this gives us colors that pop, but it also makes the skin look totally unnatural. And with Vibrance, we don't have that issue. So watch here these flowers and the lips. We can really make these colors pop. And at the same time, the skin still looks natural. And with saturation, we don't have that. Especially when you adjust, when you retouch models, portrait shots, stuff like this, you want to work with the Vibrance first and foremost, and just a little bit using the saturation. And this is how you can use the Vibrance adjustment in Photoshop. Hope this video was helpful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.